Pull the atomizer head upward to remove it from the device. Unscrew the atomizer bottle. Fill the atomizer bottle 30% to 90% full with recommended fragrance oil. And screw the atomizer head back onto the atomizer bottle. Align the atomizer head with the slot on the device, then press it down into place. Each time the device is powered on, the display will light up for 2 seconds. Press and hold the power button for 1 second to turn on. The display will then show the ambient temperature. The ambient light cycles through 7 breathing colors: red, orange, yellow, green, cyan, blue and purple. The factory default settings are 24-hour operation at level 1, 7-color breathing light cycling enabled, and sleep mode off. Short press mist level adjustment button to cycle through level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4 and repeat. Short press timer sleep mode button to switch time setting between 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours and cancel. Press and hold this button for 3 seconds to enter sleep mode. In sleep mode, the default mist level is level 1, and only the sleep indicator light stays on. To exit the sleep mode, press any button to wake the device first, and press any button again within 3 seconds. The device will exit the sleep mode and resume its previous operating status. The sleep indicator will turn off, and other indicators will return to normal operation. Short press the ambient light button and the ambient light will cycle through the 3-mode 7-color breathing light cycle: red, orange, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and purple. Fixed color light off. Press and hold the power button for 8 seconds to reset the device to factory settings. Press the power button to turn it off. To clean it, remove the atomizer head and atomizer bottle. Fill the atomizer bottle 30% to 90% full with 75% alcohol. Reinstall the bottle onto the device, then run the device at level for 10 seconds. Discard any remaining alcohol. Allow the atomizer bottle, suction tube, and nozzle to air dry completely before reinstalling or using the device. Cleaning is complete.